Greetings from Gardner, Kansas. This is Jeff Peterson, and today we're going to be learning how to solve a quadratic equation using a Ti84 graphing calculator. So the question at hand is which x value, or maybe which x values, makes the equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0 a true statement. There are, of course, other ways of solving this equation than the one I'm going to be demonstrating here, but few of them compare with this method in ease and versatility. We'll start by graphing the equation as if it were a function. Use the y equals key first and enter the equation as shown. The function y equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 on the calculator would match our original equation only if the y value were 0. The locations on the graph where the y values are 0 are those locations normally called x-intercepts. So that's our goal. We have to find the x-intercepts. These are nicknamed the zeros of the function, since whenever you have an x-intercept, the y value at that location is 0. Zoom 6 will get you to the standard window. Your graph should look like this. In this view, both the x and y values range from -10 to 10. Choose the x-intercept locator provided by Texas Instruments. The key sequence is second, calc, down arrow, enter. Remember that the x-intercepts are called zeros. The calculator prompts for a left bound. You need to move the cursor from its current position, highlighted in red, to the left side of the answer we're looking for, the first x-intercept, in this case highlighted by the yellow indicator. Move your cursor to the left side of the x-intercept using the left arrow key, and when you're on the left side, hit enter. The calculator now prompts for a right bound. Use the right arrow key to move the cursor to the right side of the x-intercept without passing the other x-intercept. Hit enter. Hit enter again in response to the guess prompt. If all goes well, the cursor will jump to the x-intercept you isolated between your left and right bounds and display the value. It displays the value there. In this case, our first solution to the equation, when we round to 2 decimal places, is -0.85. Set up for finding the second answer. The key sequence is second, calc, down arrow, enter. Our next answer will be the x-intercept indicated by the yellow arrow. So you navigate with the right arrow to the location that's a little bit to the left of the yellow one. So in this example, a left bound approximately in the location where the red arrow indicates would be good. When you get your cursor to that position, hit enter. Move your cursor to the right side of the x-intercept and hit enter again. The right bound itself usually works well for the guess, so you just simply hit enter once more. Our final answer pops on the screen when the cursor jumps to the x-intercept. In this case, the second answer is 2.35 once it's rounded. I sincerely hope that this demonstration helps you solve quadratic equations easily on your graphing calculator. One final word. This method works for many other classes of equations, not just quadratic equations. Just make sure that you start with a 0 on one side or the other of the equation. You may have to rearrange your terms in order to force this to happen. It does have to say equals 0 before this method will work. Enjoy!